I've been exploring the Bluehost website builder for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of this website builder. First, let's talk about what the Bluehost website builder actually offers. Bluehost has long been known for its hosting services, but with its new AI-powered Wondersuite, it's stepping fully into the website builder space. The idea is simple: combine powerful WordPress hosting with an intelligent, guided builder that helps anyone create a professional-looking site without needing coding experience. When you sign up, Bluehost's AI asks for some quick details about your business and design preferences, then automatically generates a site layout, complete with text suggestions, color themes, and images. It's quick, clean, and surprisingly intuitive. Now let's look at what's good. The integration with WordPress is seamless, so you get the best of both worlds. WordPress flexibility with a simplified drag-and-drop builder. Bluehost's AI tools offer personalized design suggestions, automatic SEO recommendations, and even content generation to help your site perform better in search results. Everything is mobile responsive by default, and with Bluehost's secure hosting, pages load fast and reliably. The WonderStart onboarding makes setup painless, and a staging area lets you safely test your site before publishing. However, it's not perfect. The number of templates is more limited than top builders like Wix or Squarespace, and support can be hit or miss depending on the time of day. Renewal prices also jump after the first term, which might surprise some users. Overall, Bluehost's website builder is ideal for anyone who loves WordPress but hates its complexity. It's fast, beginner-friendly, and supported by one of the most trusted names in hosting. A solid choice for small businesses and creators who want power without the hassle. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.